Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Just taking in part exchange this Freelander 2 2.2 TD4 HSE automatic, 109,000 miles, metallic black, sans leather. Now, cam belt replaced. It's a 2008 on a 57. Cam belt has been replaced. Serviced at 11, 23, 33, 42, 55, 74, 83, 91, 98 and 102,000 miles. Lovely example. The cam belt was done at 83,000 miles. Just been driving around in this car and it drives really well. Alloy wheels have obviously been recently refurbished. It's got new tyres on. Privacy glass. Rear park sensors. Inside, got the sand or cream leather, fitted carpet mats, electric seats, the air conditioning works, twin sunroofs, front one tilts and slides, they have sunshades. Obviously cruise control, sat nav, Bluetooth. Automatic diesel, heated electric seats. Parcel shelves in the back. And it has a space saver spare wheel. We haven't valeted the inside. It came in nice and clean. We have washed and polished the outside. Just been serviced. MOT till the 26th of June 2025. As I say, rear park sensors. Alloys, lovely condition. New tyres. Bodywork very nice for its age. The wheels really are immaculate, obviously been refurbished. HSE, so Alpine stereo, electric folding mirrors, automatic lights, leather steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth, 109,296 miles, obviously satellite navigation. Automatic Bluetooth, heated seats, fitted mats. Leather's not too worn on the driver's seat. I'll show you in the boot, which I haven't opened, but if we press that button, it's open now. It's clean and tidy in here as well, and as I say, there is a spare wheel. Parcel shelves all in there. Boot's clean, tidy, steel spare wheel, new tyre, jack, wheel brace, it's all complete. So price £4,495. Comes with, as I say, a recent service and a very long MOT and drives exceptionally well. £4,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.